back at the home setup. Loving it. All right, got to get myself back to the normal flow of everything. Let's put on some tunes. Let's get going. I am on Trade the Pool today. All right, let's post out the copy post. All right, let's get ready. I'm just getting myself situated again. Wowie, that was so cool yesterday when I didn't even know that it was a SpaceX launch and it ended up with a heart in the sky. Super cool, some benefits to waking up early for sure. Let me just refresh this, reload. I feel like certain things are not loading properly and that is totally okay. We'll get it all set up. If you guys have not joined already, come and join the Carpe Profit Traders group. I do post these live. I post this live, so come and check it out. If you miss it, join the group. You will get to see it. Let's see. We'll chat later on there. All right, let's get ready. Let's see what we have moving. Let's look at the SPY. Let's look at the SPY levels. This is super crazy and big to me. Hold on. I gotta do a little adjusting here. Bear with me. Bear with me. I know it might be super large on your end. Let's just put this here. I need to make it a little bit smaller. I think I need like 80%. I think that's where my eyes are used to seeing it. Yes. Yes, yes. All right, we'll get it set up for you all as well in the background. Let's see. Great day, Glenn. All right. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Just listed our house for sale today in Canada. Great day. All right, end of the cycle for us here. Okay, 692.14. Okay, 692.14 there. Let's check out the cues. Live at 9 o'clock on Trade the Pool, live at noon on Trade the Pool. We are doing a Market Madness. If you have not seen it already, it is on my Twitter profile. Let's come up here. Let's go down here. Come and join us live noon today. I'm going to be creating my 5 stocks for the Market Madness competition. Come join me, come support. Create your own team if you want, but the link is right here in the post from Money Mitch, my partner over there, Trade the Pool. So check it out. Check it out. All right. Actually, you know what? Let's do it here. I will capture this right there, and I will post it later. So that's going to be it. We'll leave that up. I will post that later. And let's get ready to rock. Okay, the Russell, any change, 263.15. The Dow, 493.99. What? 493.99. All right. I keep saying we're going to see a bit of a drawdown discount until the 17th of March, right? Why? Well, when we do it like this, let's just make this maximized right here. Let's make this a weekly chart. Thank you so much. And let's eliminate this. Boom. I don't know why I put that on. And let's put this like this and like this and this. You can see we've got the 17th of March is that apex. If I make this a, actually cancel. Let's just take that puppy off. Let's put this one up. Oop. Right there. So we're waffling in and out, in and out. Are we going to see that we have a decision by then. That's what I'm looking at. So let's see if that holds true. We're coming through many times. You will find that. Let's see here. I kind of want to adjust this. Was this from another? Where did this one start? Let's adjust the high, maybe to right here. And it looks like it's going to be a bit further out. Where's the other point of this? Has to be a line from somewhere. Let's go back on a weekly. Okay, well, let's do it from this one to this one. All right, there we go. Oh, look, it coincides with the 33. So 33, now it looks like 8th of June, maybe. Also looks kind of like a diamond top. We are below the 15 exponential in the weekly. Just checking it out to see. Since I'm going into this competition, we see big money is right here. Yeah, it could get spicy. Yeah, let's make some money. Let's make some money. Okay, these are old. Ignore these levels. These are from Tuesday before I traveled. All right. Sorry, I have a bit of a congestion still. All right. So we are looking at BATL to the downside over here. BATL. We've got BABA pulling back. Of course, we're always checking out Nvda and Tsla. They are pulling back as well today. Tesla, SpaceX launch, totally cool. Let's check out SLV. Oops, SLV today. Up a bit when I was looking at it pre-market. Now we're down a little bit. I did switch mine to PSLV, and PSLV is flat, so I'm going to put that up here. PSLV, boom. All right, let's also look at AVGO. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm going to pick Hood. Definitely Hood for one of my stocks. We get to pick 5 stocks for the whole time of March Madness. I like Hood. I'm gonna have to check out some other ones as well. All right, we got fast moving as well today. XLE is up. Maybe I'll put XLE on. I really like USO as well. Let's check out USO. Oh yeah, USO, yeah. All right, and let me stretch this out. Let's do our limits. All right, close. Are you choosing happy? I do. No matter what scenario in life, you have a choice. You can choose to be bitter, you can choose to be upset, you can choose to be sad, or you can choose the happy filter of life. No matter what's going on, you find happiness, right? All right, there we go. There's the limits for today. Let's get that posted. I'm gonna have to do some more deep dive stuff today. See what's gonna be moving the rest of the month. Yeah, you got it, Glenn. Kind of like PLTR too. Read an interesting post. Even though the CEO is selling PLTR. I like that one. I gotta go based on the different. So if you guys are just joining, I'm gonna post this in the chat. The Trade the Pool. This is happening at noon today. So come give me some support, please. We do the draft today at noon. And there I am, right there, large block, swing, and day trading. And what sectors? So these are the different sectors. In fact, I'm going to post this out. Give me your ideas. Put large cap, mega, mid cap. I want to hear from you guys. Post, show me what you would choose I'm gonna, for mega cap, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. I'm going to see what you guys would choose. I will check out the charts later today, put it on that feed, and come and join at noon. Frank saying, I'm happy, I just work intense and angry sometimes, not at anyone in particular. Work on that, Frank. Many times what you are feeling on the inside is a reflection of what you are not doing for yourself that makes you angry. You get angry at somebody else for not respecting you. It's because you didn't respect yourself. So get into your mind, think about that. Where's that anger coming from? What is it about? You know, I have a good friend that's going through divorce, and she's really angry at her husband because he did not do stuff. I'm like, well, how long did you let it happen? Because obviously people will treat you in the way that you let them treat you, right? So until you stop that, then they continue treating you that way because you are allowing it, in a sense, by doing nothing. You're accepting that treatment. And so once you change and you decide that it's no longer good, that's when you get angry. But that's because you didn't step up in the first place. Does that make sense? So where is that anger coming from? All right. Reflect back on yourself. About 99% of the action in your mind comes from yourself, not anyone else. All right, UVXY, let's check out the inverse indicators here. 2621 and 3009. Once you start looking that and you see everybody projects their feelings and how you feel, even when you catch yourself and you're like, oh my goodness, I'm so angry at so-and-so, and you stop and you look, and why are you angry? Because they didn't respect you? No, it's you didn't respect yourself. You didn't stand up before. And why? Were you taught not to stand up for yourself? Same thing with money, right? Same thing in trading. Trading brings out those little devils inside our minds. Why? Who taught you that you couldn't be a trader? Who taught you that you had to work a 9-to-5 job? Who taught you? You got to just change your thoughts and everything else in life will change. Anger comes from inaction, in my opinion. Maybe like, okay, car accident, you know, that was out of your control. Or in driving, if somebody cuts you off, they're obviously having a bad day, right? They're so much in a rush that they can't enjoy life and just be in the moment and just enjoy where they are. You get into traffic, do you get angry? Do you turn on the music, turn it into a dance party in the car? That's me. You know it. All right, so right here we are in between two levels. The big money level down here at 1869 for inverse of silver. And then since the big spike. So silver is being 100% manipulated. We know this. So if they're manipulating paper, what's going to happen to that paper? You guys didn't know you're getting psychology today. I'm not a licensed psychologist. I'm not a licensed financial professional. However, the two go hand in hand. Yes? Yes. Okay, I'm looking back to see where is our January level here. That's October. Where's our January level? That's December. That's October. Hello, January. I don't see January. Oh, here we go. Okay, down here at 97.33. And as long as we stay above, likely we're going to see commodities drop. So it's no wonder that we're seeing all right, January level right here, 2707, 2749. And how much are you aware that your mind, well, let's go back over here. Let's see. Deep dive into trades for AVGO, hood, fast. USO, it's not earning, so we'll change that. PSLV, BATL, Baba, Nvda, Tesla, silver. I already did that. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right, let's look at crypto. What do we see going on with crypto over here? Yes, we got the news popping. They are down below 67.07 intraday. Let's slide this away. Let's advance this. Oh, I'm so happy to have my mouse back. The simple pleasures in life, right? I'm so happy to have my mouse back. All right, 15-minute chart here. Where's our big money level? Everything is just a little different in my office because there were some things adjusted for photos. All right, so big money level intraday is 72,833 and 86 cents. Ethereum, big money, they are below. They are below. Okay, I'm thinking I might go coin or IBIT because I feel like they're going to try to drop the dollar and rock the crypto. That's why Kraken, all that stuff, because the dollar's going to fail. I didn't tell you. But that's their plan in going digital. 1.42227. 3 twos? No, 2 twos. All right. And intraday 1.4244. Let's go to XLM. No XLM. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. 0.51882. Yes, we are above it. 0.158771. Let's also come over here. I'm going to look at, let's not tell them, but let's do a crypto ETF, IPOs, no, ETFs, and we're going to go to crypto. Ooh, ooh. BitW, okay, no. Bitwise, no. I want to see like basket of crypto. Crypto 10. This might be cool. Let's see what's in here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP. I'm going to go crypto 10. Let's see, what is this? T-top. I got to write this down. I got to do my research. What is the market cap of this? Yes, what is the market cap? You guys are seeing me pick this asset. 646K. That's not very much, huh? T-top. I'm going crypto. All right. Okay, let's go back. I think we're going to see crypto in the next 2 weeks. Rocket ship. My thoughts. I want to make $10,000 in 1 year from trades to extract from the account. How much starting seed money do I need? You know what? Frank, here is the awesome sauce. Is that you could, if you join in on the event today, you could totally end up with a free prop firm account. So for those traders that are looking to get started, you can sign up with Trade the Pool and get a prop account, right? So you are able to come on over. Let's check it out. You can sign up for the evaluation right here. Limited risk in trading right now is the draft night. You can try to get one. You can earn money depending on how you trade. You could double your money within 1 year. So this is limited amount that you have to put into it. So say you were to click on this, you have the $5,000, the target, the daily pause, all of that, where you can learn how to trade. You can use my same information that I teach you also on here. I need to show you guys more on the trading platform. However, you can easily become approved. You can also use Claude. You put in the parameters and you get into the different trading. As you could start off with 5,000, then you say, hey, I want to get into this. I'm going to level up. As you go, it will automatically increase your money should you want to. And you get to receive payouts, right? While minimizing your risk. It's all about minimizing your risk. If you start with a prop firm, you can end up more money in your pocket, less risk, if that makes sense. All right, XLM, let's go to the XLM amount over here, 0.518771. Okay, beautiful. We got 6 minutes, 0.9675. Okay, perfect. Oh my goodness, totally messed up that one over there, didn't I? 0.0963, 657. All right, let's go to Solana. Are we above? You betcha. I'm totally going doing that T-top. Definitely. Okay, 85.02 and 84. Maybe Solana's the way to go too. I could go crypto heavy, and then I could just make my analysis on those. I like it. All right, 90.16. Thought process while I'm doing two things. All right, 239.10, and our price level here is 240.13. All right, let's get into the crypto segment. Stock segment. Let's go quick. Let's do Broadcom, AVGO, rapid fire stock float here, 4.65 billion. All right, since earnings, do I have it on? No. All right, let's put it on. I feel like it's springtime. I'm gonna change my line here to be pink. Pinkity. Pink for spring, and developing line is white. All right, perfect. 337.90. Let's go to our short volumes for Broadcom. AVGO. Come on. 32.6. Let's go to hood. In the hood. 52.7. Fast. Oh. Fast. 67%. Oh yeah, 68% short. USO, 50% short. I'm thinking I need to do oil, crypto, energy, and maybe banks. Maybe I do the dollar. All right, let's bring it back to a 5-minute chart over here. Please see we're trading there. Bouncing. I like Broadcom, but we're so close to those levels. This one might be a contender too for my top 12 out of, let's put up here, 340. Can we do 340? Yes. 340 and 333. Let's go to the hood. What's happening in the hood? Do you have stocks or cryptos? If you see anything that you'd like to put on for, wow, I just got a little dizzy, for the Market Madness, for top 12, mega cap, large cap, mid cap, small cap, put it in the chat. I want to see what you guys might do as well. And let's talk about our trades. Oh yeah. I don't like that I need to, let's go back here. Let's go here and intraday. Thank you. I don't like the fact that it wasn't there on my daily. If you know anyone that wants to move to Montreal, I'm going to post up the listing. 762. Hood since earnings. Everything is below. Definitely going hood. Putting on a little hood. Love it. 7607. Let's go to fast. Let's go to fastly. Where's my lines? Okay. Where are my lines? No lines. Okay, let's put them on. Horizontal line, boom. And boom. Since earnings, 4603, below. $48.40. I'm going to put 47.44. 74. 48.40. And it is not red because that is below. So don't know why that is red. It should be green. AGX. All right, I'm writing it down. AGX from J. I'm going to check a whole bunch of small cap stuff. I got some work ahead of me today. Man, yesterday I had 2 10-hour sleep days. Maybe I shouldn't have transferred, but in any event, I transferred my position from SLV. Yes, Jane Street is manipulating it. Yes, Jane Street is the largest holder. However, that was all reported from last quarter. Do you not think that maybe they manipulated that down? There is uncoupling from 94.12 here. Oh yeah, Roger, of course. Of course, Roger's always on AMD. I know, Roger. I know. I got you, Roger. I like Microsoft too, as well as Broadcom. So I'm going to check and see, because if somebody else picks one of those stocks, I have to have an alternate, right? Because like in a draft pick, out of the 12, I got to look and I have to number my 1 through 12 choices because I don't know when I'm getting picked. I did catch though, they're like, yeah, we're going to do the Mag 7. I was like, and nobody can repeat and choose the other one if somebody else takes it. I'm like, that's great, but there's 7 stocks for us to choose from and we have 12 people. So how is that going to work for the Mag 7? I was like, just on that one, I need to be first. So maybe they're going to let me get first. Ladies first, you know? I'm the only lady on the team. I'm putting it out there that I get first pick from all my stocks. That way, I am going to rock it. But if I have 12th pick, I need to have 12 choices. It's like when I used to work at the airlines and I would have to have my bid. So this is my bid for stocks, right? So I gotta have 12 choices for each, just in case. So that means 12 times 12, 144 different stocks I need to decide on today. I've been in vacation mode. All right, 276.60. We got to put it above our intraday over here or below 26.94. This was up at, I woke up at 5 and it was up earlier. Oh, it did change. Huh, okay. BATL getting killed. What other small caps do we have over here? We've got, let's go super micro cap. No, I want to go small. Uoka, too low, too low. Let's see. We've got IBO. Well, let's check out some IBO too. All right, BATL. Who out there is trading BATL on this drawdown? Let's bring it back over here. Let's put this on and a little boom from there. 559. Okay, cool. From 559, 556. Okay, cool. From here, 1179. Big money is still in on this one. Maybe I'm going to go in on this one. Microcap, BATL. That might be pretty cool. We are bigger money is below. BATL as an oil. I need to do maybe a leveraged oil. I think that's going to be cool. Leveraged oil. What do you guys think? Got to do oil. I want to concentrate on oil, finance, crypto. I got a top one. Okay, so one more sector. I'm not really into healthcare sector, but I'm seeing that tech, maybe software. I think I might need to do software. We'll do software. I feel like apps is going to be a good one. Let's also check out apps. Well, I'll check it out. Here's the thing. If you guys also join my... Ooh, it's 8:59. Oh my goodness, I totally have to run. I'm sorry for the long chat today. Let me get you that youtube.com trade the pool. All right, here we go. Gonna give you that link. I gotta jump over. It's already 9 o'clock. Where did the time go? What? All right, here we go. Copy and paste.